If you're thinking of starting your own organic garden at home, then trust us when we say this, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling endeavor. But there are some necessary steps you must take to get started.
Welcome to another super exciting video from Agricline, and as always, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, so you never miss our videos.
Let's get started on our farm.
1. Choose the right location. Choosing the right location for your garden is like setting the stage for a beautiful performance. Start by finding a sunny spot that basks in at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. This is where your veggies and herbs will really shine. Next, think about accessibility. You'll want your garden to be easy to reach for watering, harvesting, and just enjoying the fruits of your labor. A little convenience goes a long way. Lastly, pay attention to drainage. Look for well-draining soil to keep your plants happy and healthy. Waterlogged roots can be a real party pooper. By picking the perfect spot, you'll set your garden up for success and create a thriving oasis right at home. 2. Start small. If you're dipping your toes into gardening for the first time, container gardening is a fantastic way to start. Containers are super versatile. You can set them up on patios, balconies, or even your windowsills. Plus, they allow you to control the soil and drainage, making it easier to nurture your plants. If you have a bit more space to play with, consider raised garden beds. They not only look great but also improve soil quality and drainage. Just start with 1 or 2 beds to keep things manageable. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying the fruits and veggies of your labor. 3. Select organic seeds and plants. When starting your garden, it's all about picking the right crops. Choose vegetables and herbs that you love to eat. This way, you'll be excited to tend to them. If you're new to gardening, some easy-to-grow options include tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, and basil. They're not only delicious but also forgiving for beginners. Also, consider going organic. Buying organic seeds or seedlings from trusted sources ensures that you're nurturing your plants without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. This way, you can enjoy fresh, healthy produce right from your own garden. 4. Use organic soil and amendments. When it comes to gardening, quality soil is your best friend. Start with a good quality organic potting mix or garden soil as your foundation. To give your plants an extra boost, mix in some organic compost. It's like a nutrient-rich superfood for your soil that improves both fertility and structure. And don't forget about natural fertilizers. Opt for organic options like compost, well-rotted manure, or fish emulsion. These not only nourish your plants but also keep your garden free from harmful chemicals. Your plants will thrive, and you'll feel great knowing you're taking care of the earth too. 5. Implement natural pest control. Companion planting is like creating a little community in your garden. By pairing certain plants together, you can naturally keep pests at bay. For instance, marigolds are fantastic companions. They not only brighten up your garden but also repel nematodes and other pesky insects. Don't forget the power of a little hands-on care. Regularly check your plants for any unwelcome visitors and remove them by hand. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your garden healthy. Plus, using row covers or netting can provide extra protection for your young plants. Together, these strategies create a thriving garden ecosystem that you can feel good about nurturing. And here is a bonus point you could add. Regular maintenance is the secret sauce to a flourishing organic garden. Consistent watering, keeping an eye out for pesky pests and diseases, and just soaking in the beauty of your plants as they grow can make all the difference. By embracing these simple practices, you'll not only enjoy fresh produce right from your backyard but also contribute positively to the environment. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and enjoy every moment of this rewarding journey. Happy gardening! Do not forget to share your thoughts with us in the comment section.